everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I would like to share with you all about Mother's Day preparation. I would like to show to you all which shops that we was visited and some of the items that we bought in this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. We went to Sunway City to buy cake. I can't remember when is the last time we bought the cake. So for this Mother's Day, we come to bought cake. The place that we come is Brownies Bliss. I like the brownies from this shop. First time I'm going to buy a cake. This is the inside the shop and the cake price below 30 ringgit Malaysia. During I visit the shop, there are 2 or 3 customers are waiting at there. After that, we bought the cake and we come out from the shop, and now we are going to another place. On the way to the next destination, we saw some construction is happening at there, and the next place that we visited was Mr. DIY. We came to here to buy some decoration items and some snacks from here. We bought balloons and cellophane tape and more. The time that I visited the place, it was not too crowded, so I can focus on what I want to buy. For me, at here the prices are reasonable. It is depends on the item that you want to buy. After buying some decoration items and also some kitchen related items, we are now going back to home. I won't come regularly to this shop, so if you want to buy stationery items or kitchen items or bottles like this, you can come and visit this place. If you like it, you can buy. After this, I'm not sure we are going to which place, so that's why we bought some of the snacks from here. It's so difficult to choose which one to buy from this area, because from the other section I simply can take some of the items based on the quality, but at this food section I am taking longer time to make a decision. So yes, how was your Mother's Day preparations going on? Share with me in the comment section below. Before that, I also want to share with you all the Mother's Day cake that I bought just now. This is the cake. I haven't tasted this cake yet, so I don't know how it tastes. But look at the decoration. It's just simple and cute. So yes guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do like this video. If you haven't subscribed to Rosh Favorites, do subscribe to Rosh Favorites right now. And thank you for watching. Take care and bye. Happy Mother's Day.